the chiropractic adjustment does. Okay, have you heard that before? Yep, so that's nitrogen gas bubbles leaving the joint space as it goes back into the correct position. So that's pressure leaving the joint and the back, which is a great thing. Then the second thing that happens is as we get mobility back into these joints, we're bringing blood flow and circulation to the back, which is also a great thing. Then the third thing that happens, and this is the most important thing a chiropractic adjustment does, is as we get the vertebrae forward and aligned, we take pressure off these nerves and stimulate the nerves to wherever they go. So like we want to stimulate these sciatic nerves and these low back nerves so we can get that pain out of your low back.